That fog. Morning.
Morning, sir. Morning of day 2 with the Bacon Bandits. Thanks for returning. We have our breakfast on the fire. We got our traditional bacon, hash browns, soon to be eggs, boiling water for coffee.
Okay, where's that coming from? You can't beat this. Just got some good breakfast and gonna photograph the loons. Got some coffee going.
Good morning, guys. So day 2, packing up here, had a great breakfast. So the goal is to get to the mouth of the Malayan River. So we're starting up here at the end of Quetico Lake. I got a couple portages into Jean. Then we're heading a little bit more east as we come down through some more portages and a creek that may or may not be passable. Into Sturgeon Lake, and then hopefully resting at the mouth of the Malayan today for some good grub again.
120.
Hitting the portage, crossing the portage.
Then a 170. Day 2. It's looking like almost 100% bluebird, and the lake is glass. All right, so first portage of day 2, and Brady didn't recognize this spot because this was on his first year we did this portage, and I dropped my cell phone trying to take a photo of the waterfall up there because it just rained the previous day, and I slipped on the rock and went my brand new cell phone. So just looking for our second portage. Some of them are not always that obvious. All right, found it. We just gotta keep the eyes peeled.
Seven years ago when we were here, Evan Johnson came coming down here with his paddles and life jacket. Right at the end of this deadhead here, he threw him down. We're all hanging out, just taking a break. We're about to go. Evan goes over to grab his stuff and there's a wasp nest. He got stung a couple of times. Took him forever to get it out. We got a couple of clips for you to watch later.
All right, that was our second portage of day 2.
We didn't stop it there.
Yeah, exactly. Here, grab this.
Got it. Buddy.
Told you it's like
man. Dude, that is a monster. Catching that.
Here. Dude, get a photo of that.
I want a photo.
Holy, man.
Holy.
This is still filming.
Does anyone have anything to do?
Dude.
Oh yeah.
The thing, you'll hold that up.
That's a good 6 or 7 pounder. Grab him by the thumb. Grab him. Put your thumb up underneath this. Okay, just grip it. He won't go in.
Wow.
It's a big honker.
Nice catch. Hold her up, yeah. Let me just grab the camera.
Why are you falling everywhere? Good one? You okay? Pretty good. Okay. I didn't even go in the water.
Shit.
What happened?
I don't know, dude. I wasn't looking where I was stepping. Just fucking
mug.
Man, man, you don't even understand.
Oh, yeah, that was fun.
If you caught
Like the last one. So this has been an eventful 20-minute break so far. Caught a couple fish, one of them being Nathaniel's trophy bass. Yeah, it was like what, 6 pounds, 7 pounds?
At least 6, yeah.
Tom wipes out, and then snapping turtle. That was cool. He was curious. He was just scoping out that camera. Now it's time for lunch.
Well, we got a few fish here. Gonna have a nice little fish appetizer tonight.
That's a wrap, boys. Lunch is over. Party on the river.
Alright, so this is the third portage of the day. This is the big one. 420 meters, which as far as some portages we've taken on over the years, it's pretty short. We're entering Burnt Side Lake. That's right.
Let's see if Luciano can do the lunge. Oh, yeah, just tall enough. Oh yeah, that was a nice maneuver.
Portage number 4 of the day done. Nice little one. We got another one in about 4 minutes.
Nice beaver lodge right there. So on the map there's a portage right there, that's about 100 meters. But instead we're just gonna hop over this beaver dam and just try to navigate through the beaver channels just to bypass the portage. Maybe save some time, maybe not, we'll see.
This is a great place to fill up an Elgin bottle.
Yeah,
I'm pretty thirsty.
I think we'll fill up our water bottles here and, you know, just before we do our portage, should be a good idea. All right, day 2, portage 5. We're not unloading this thing. We're gonna do it the hard way, but the fast way. So that beaver portage was the last portage of the day. Damn. Okay, hang on. You're good.
I'm flooding. Back it fuck out.
Hard. 2, 3. Shit. We are just snaking our way through the beaver channels.
Pretty epic. Going over dams.
Lots of dams. Over rocks, dams. We saw some otter crab. At least we think that's what it is. We got a beaver lodge up ahead. And these guys have engineered the 401 of Beaverland, Ontario. Okay, we're at another dam. And I'm not gonna say it's the last, because it's probably not. That is not much of a trail.
Like every dam I go by, it just gets harder and harder.
Yeah. All right, this is gonna be a, well, what's it gonna be?
It's gonna be a slog.
Stay out of the reeds, basically. Hard. It's our 6th dam. It's like 6 inches to a foot deep here. We are out. Yeah!
Yeah! Found another.
The sun is crazy hot today. And we probably went 2 or 3 hours in a beaver channel unable to drink the water because we don't want to catch beaver fever. So finally now we've gotten to the point where we feel safe scooping and drinking the water. So here we are, baking in the sun, but we're able to get a drink. I don't see anything yet. So we're just circling an island right now. That's a potential spot for us. Hunker down for the night. Oh, turtle! Yeah. What happened to your foot?
Well, I got attacked by my crew for not paddling fast enough. They just stomped me.
What actually happened to your foot?
The leeches. Got basically a nesting ground of leeches on my foot, about 20 or so of them. And that was about an hour ago, and I'm surprised it's still bleeding, honestly. But we might have to do a blood transfusion out here with no one knowing anyone's blood type, so we'll see.
Primo site. Look at that fire pit. Nice table.
Benches.
Benches each side in a big tent pad area. All right, time to bathe. You guys don't watch.
Looking good day.
So Bacon Bandit tradition here. We're making a little bit of golden crispies. This is cooking with Braden here. So So we caught a couple of bass, got them all flayed up. We marinated them in the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo. Key. Then we have our original fish crisp batter, hot oil. We got some already here, pre-bagged, ready to go. Martha Stewart style. This is how we make some golden crispy boys. So a few minutes in now, we're pulling our fish out. Ooh, look at those. You know, people would pay hundreds of dollars for this kind of stuff. We do it all the time. And that's cooking with Braden. Golden Crispies.
You're watching Campfire Cooking with Riley.
Tonight's dinner is pierogies. Right now we've got some onions cut up. Cast irons on the fire getting warm. We're gonna toss a brick of butter on there. Slow cook the onions so they're nice and caramelized. Cut up some bacon, fry up the bacon. Then we're gonna mix all the ingredients together with the pierogies and fry those up. Have some sour cream, and that's all she wrote. So now we got the bacon's 3/4 done, onions are done, they're nice and caramelized. So now I got Tom dumping in some pierogies here. We're gonna get a nice sear on that, so by the time those pierogies are done, bacon should be done. We're gonna mix the three together, slap them on a plate, put some sour cream and hot sauce on there, and that's dinner. Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. You gotta make sure you cook the bacon good because you don't want it to be like Adam style. Bacon's done. It's time to drain out some of the grease. Add them into the pierogies. Final touch, some salt and pepper. Serving myself.
Yeah, baby.
Well, as you can see, the day's just about done. Getting to our nightly chores, but it was a good day. A long day, but a good day. Today we paddled about 25 kilometers through some pretty mucky creeks, over a few beaver dams to say the least. But once again, dinner was great, and we put a lot of miles behind us. So good night, everyone.
Stay tuned for more adventures with the Bacon Bandits.